Welcome back again to our channel, Division 101 Coding Tutorial. So this time, we will continue our puzzle, our solving in Lesson 3, number 9. So this is again for grade 5 student. So for those who are grade 5 that have difficulties in solving this puzzle, this is how to do it. Okay, are you ready now? Let's start. So remember, this is lesson 3, puzzle number 9. Okay. So to start with, as what I have said last time, when we solve puzzle number 8, in lesson 3, that the work is continuous and all you need to do is to continue your work. So if you can see, you remember, this is our work in puzzle number 8, right? Nothing changed. Okay? You remember we add this one. When blue touches the pink alien, the blue will grow, right? Now, in the instruction for number 9, it says there, now, create your own alien disco. Looking for inspiration, try these ideas. Number 1, create another alien that does another move when clicked. Okay, this is the first one. So where are the aliens? Here. This one is the alien, right? And when it click, okay, when you run, this is what the alien do. So it's asking about, we need to create one. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 1 here. So let me see, in our sprite, so sprite, make new alien, put it here. Okay. So if you can see, we have now 2 bell, right? So we will change this one to another alien. So we have the blue, we have no green, right? So we will use green. So we have blue, pink, yellow, and green. Okay. So here also in our behavior, we need also to add. We will put it here. This one first. So we will also add here. Okay. Behavior, sprite begin. We'll put it here. Sprite begin. Okay. This is what is this? What alien? What color? It's a green, right? So we will change it to green alien. And what the green alien do? Okay, behavior, maybe swimming from left to right. Okay, we will add swimming from left to right. So the green alien will swim from left to right. Now, if you can see, class, here, the bell and the green alien is overlapping each other. Why? Because here, you can see, it's the same location. So all you need to do is to change this one. We can change and we can move. Okay, we can move this one. We can move the green alien. Which way you want to move? So we will move it. Sorry. We will move this green alien right here, right? So here we will adjust. Click. When you click this one, you can now move your alien. Okay. And if you notice, class, you can see here, the number is changed. The X and Y number is changed. So this green alien will do swimming left to right. So we have now our first one. So the next one is mix alien do more dance move when they touch each other. So we will do the same here. Okay. So here, when click, you can add also behavior. It stops everything, right? When click, stops everything. Okay, what stops everything here is your green alien. So we have complete the number 4 alien. Here, we need to add one more. Okay, here, behavior, events. So we want one more event for the requirement. So here, Maybe I will put it down so that you can see. Okay, here. When we have 4 alien, right? So we will use yellow and green. So when yellow touches the green alien, okay? So what we did here, Sprite, okay? Behavior, Sprite, begin. So the yellow alien will do, what the behavior of the yellow alien now? Will shrinking. Okay, let's try shrinking. So it will shrink. So in our previous puzzle, we do, when the blue touches the pink, the blue will grow, right? But this time, I choose shrinking. So the yellow touches the green, the yellow will shrink. But you can choose whatever you want, right? You can choose whatever you want, whatever your behavior wants. Okay? So let's try. So this is now our coding. So let's try. So when you touch, the blue alien grow. Okay. So if you can see now, class, we need to touch the green to the yellow alien. Okay. So it takes time to touch, right? You can see it's going up because this one is wandering, right? It's going up. So we will wait that this yellow will touch the green. It touch one. So you can see the yellow is shrinking. You can see it? So that is how to solve our puzzle number 9. So after that, you can see that the blue become bigger and bigger while the yellow become smaller, shrink. So this is our 2 events. The first one is the blue, that is the pink, grow, the blue grow. When the yellow touches the green, the yellow shrink. Okay? So when you're done with that, all you need to do is to click finish. And you're done with puzzle number 9. Okay? So hope you enjoyed this time solving our lesson 3, puzzle number 9, and continue your lesson in coding and watch for our next video coming up in our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share with your friends. They have difficulties in solving our problem or our puzzle in our coding. Okay? Till next time, this is David John 101. Okay? Say bye-bye for now. See you next time. Have a nice day.